into the corner and hang it up. That's another way of winning a match. I think we got two flippers over there. This should be a really good flipping match. All right, here we go. Da-da-da. Are we ready? Drivers in the corner. Good? Good to go? All right, 3, 2, 1. Say rumble. Rumble. Oh, come on. Here we go. Woo, something sounds scary. Ooh, doggy. Wow. A scary sounding robot, that's for sure. I'm getting way the heck back here. I'm going to hide behind the engine. Sounds like there's a Ferrari in there.
Go track. I'm trying to drive the water into the corner. Oh, and Mamba's got some flipping thing going on too. Okay. That's not a flipper, that's a cutting thing. Alright, lets him down. Is the walk moving? The walk is not moving. Well, Mamba's moving the walk. Alright, driving in the corner. Can the walk move? Mamba doesn't care. Mamba's like, I'm having too much fun. Okay. Mamba doing a tango with the walk. Walk's still not moving, but Mamba's just pushing him around. I would count